Hi, I'm Sue. I'm an online learning technology specialist and I give Camtasia a rating 5 out of 5. And for more reviews like this, click below. So we use Camtasia mainly for creating e-learning pieces. So we'll record videos to show users how to use new systems within the business. We also use it to record, or if sessions have been recorded of live sessions, we do lunch and learns at lunchtime where we have speakers talking to the staff and they record those and we use them to editing purposes of those videos so we can cut them down and mute anything that we need to and just make them nice and perfect before we upload them onto our learning software. Probably one of my favourite things is it's really easy to cut bits out. So as you're recording, you can cut bits out that you don't need if you've recorded too long a piece of the software. Or another useful tool is when you're recording your audio, you naturally take a breath before you start your sentence. You can actually mute that out so people aren't having to listen to you breathe in or take a big breath at the start of all your sentences. There's not much I don't like about it, to be honest. Probably takes a little bit of getting used to. So there are some online learning videos that you can follow through and work through at your own pace on the website. So they're quite useful. So once you've got the hang of it, it does become a lot quicker. But to start with, it just takes, you do need to find your feet with it a little bit.